Alright, here's the first start of this Road King after I replaced the base gaskets. Rocker box gaskets, obviously everything from base up. Cylinders were bored 5 over. To clean them up, they had some scoring. Just standard V-twin manufacturing replacement, 10 over pistons cast. Nothing crazy. The exhaust is on there kind of loose. I just put it on there to start it up. I'm getting a new exhaust for it, so but that's a couple weeks out and I want to make sure it runs good. So yeah, everything went back together good, so it should be fine. First time doing an air-cooled V-twin though, so yeah, we'll see what happens. We are in neutral. Run is on. I don't know if it has enough gas in it. I guess we'll find out. Let me pull the choke. Where the hell's the choke? There you are. Choke is pulled. Alright, we'll see what happens. Beautiful. All right.